Okay. Try again. Good. Can you dribble it? Yay! Dribble it a couple times. Like dribble 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. One more. Good. Okay, now how about racquetball? How about racquetball? Okay, soccer. How about racquetball? Wow, try that again. Good. Wow. Okay.
I didn't have to assist.
Okay, you want to try it again? Okay. Wow. Okay, how about golf?
Watch me, Mommy.
Okay. I see it.
Like this.
All right. Oh, concentrate, sweetie. Look at the ball. Watch the ball. Now do it. Caleb.
And look at that.
Okay, try it. Whoa! That was huge. Okay, now soccer. Soccer? You want to punt it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow! All right, now baseball. Okay, try not to hit the tee, just hit the ball. Good practice. Oh, wait a minute.
I wanna do this.
Yeah, try it again. Oh,
I stopped it. Let me do this.
good.
Stop it.
Okay, sweetie, can you put it on the tee?
Hey, Daddy, watch this. Really huge. Oh, I got it.
Hello.
We're watching your athlete of a son. Caleb, put it on the tee. Hit it.
Oh, okay, we're watching. Jake's watching. He's a big fan. He says, "Come on, brother Caleb, hit that ball."
Oh, Caleb. 2 hands. All right.
Awesome. I bet there are no 3-year-olds